Yeah.
I didn't want to take a towel off that cutter. We didn't change squat. We're going to move the machine up 2,000. After sharpening,
Good.
17. One thou for cut, one thou for cutter job. Made a difference though.
It did.
I got a little bit dragging on it, but I feel like it's a lot smoother.
Yeah. A lot smoother.
Yeah, it's flat. It just doesn't look real good.
Flat.
I just like to make it look like.
Yeah, that's okay. We still got some.
It's supposed to look like, but it doesn't look that way.
Well, we still got some work to do anyway, so.
All right, so that was 17 on the other dial.
All right, so we'll take 17 off the other one.
Well, no, it's the same cutter, same diameter. All right, let's go. Grab another head. Blown up.
It's cold now.
You see like where the weld was, it's not smoother, but see no porosity at all. You don't want any porosity in your welding, you just want heat marks and different alloy changes. That's all you're looking for. What's that one look like? Yeah, you died on that thing. Okay, so who's going to change this setup?
Why am I changing the setup?
Well, what we should do is put the other guy's head in here that's already on this head and do his real quick, and then we can.
Oh, you want to do his?
Well, the setup is for this. It's going to change it. It'll mirror image it. So this clamps have to go from here to here, and that one has to go to that one.
What do you mean?
Front to rear, you mirror image.
Yeah.
Clamps go like that. He got it. He got it. And this here we just have to hand grind this out with a die grinder. So, all right, we'll be back. Okay, we're on the second head here now on this corroded one. So let's go see what the height difference is. The other one was 0, as I recall. Okay, turn this on. I always go the wrong direction when I do that. There, we just hit. Style different. Alright, let's turn that thing off before you hit it. Okay, we just hit right there. So we're about 3 thou down already. So it's probably close. Low spot in there. Melted through more than I thought it did. Yeah, that's not good. I have to start welding more of these up. I gotta start adding more filler in there. I have to start walking around better. It's not getting good. Not doing a good job. We got a low spot in there. You filled the hole in real good, but when you melted it down to make it all in, it made a big low spot, and didn't go in fill enough. Now this one we're going down 15 thou, so is that going to clean at 15? I don't know. We went to 17. I think it's the number we used. Let's see if we get an idea about how deep that is. 14. That's pretty close. That'd be too close. Alright, so that means I got to go back and weld that back up again. It's too deep. It'll probably just clean as I'm finishing, but I don't want to risk it that much. I'll go back and fill that back in right there on that edge. Do a better job. This other stuff here will go away with about 3/4 out cutting, but not that big low spot there. Alright, screw that one up. Alright, we'll be back.